Today we will show you how to assemble a NADO Infinity Night Owl. Here we have all the pieces, and now let's start. You take the first piece, the metal one, and then you take the second piece, you put it under. The next thing you have to do is the third piece, you put it up and then push the fourth piece in. And then you take the key and rotate or lock the NADO Infinity Night Owl to the right. The last piece goes in the hole. Then you take the key, and this is pretty much it. Of course you have to lock it. Now let's see how it's done.